Okay, so today is Wednesday. Oh, tough day today. Actually, tough night last night. For some reason I was just wide awake till about 4 o'clock in the morning. Only got a couple hours sleep this morning, doing things around. I'll be putting out a video either later tonight or tomorrow on a package I got. So I got already filmed, I just got to edit it and upload it. But my knees still bother me a little bit. What I did is on the beginning on the run, I did, I slowed it down a bit, slowed it down to 2.5 miles an hour and extended the time to 10 minutes, which gave me the same distance. And my knee felt a lot better when I got off of it. And I just did 14 minutes on the Gazelle, and I got 105 calories on the Gazelle, and I got 34 calories on the treadmill, which kind of, I've been looking at the stuff, and the longer, if I go longer and a little bit slower, it actually burns more calories according to the treadmill calculator. So for the total was 139 calories for today. No, actually I did. I pushed it. I got 106 calories on the Gazelle. So that's 140 calories between the two of them today. And I was getting ready to go out and rake snow off everything, use the snow blower, but the wind picked up last night. Yesterday's snow was a really dry snow. And so like that 6 inches of snow we got, it came down really quick. Most of it blew away off the driveway, off my truck. There's hardly anything on my truck at all. And I haven't gone out back to look what's on the patio roof, but the way it's been whistling out there and stuff, I have a feeling that it blew most of the snow off of it as well. So I probably won't have to do any raking today. Probably have to do it tomorrow if we get snow again. We're getting a little bit, not much at all. But hey, you gotta be flexible and adjustable to what life brings you, so you can stay active and healthy, and keep your endurance up. So that's what's going on for me today. Tomorrow I'll probably do another 10 minutes on the treadmill at the same speed, and I will see if I can pick up the pace or go a little bit longer on the Gazelle, because I'm back taking all my vitamins and stuff, taking my glucosamine twice a day, and got all my other stuff I'm taking. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow. All right, so in the meantime, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. Plant an indoor garden if you can. I'm getting mine started up. Let me see if I can turn this around and show you what I'm doing over here on the table. So I got a 5-gallon bucket full, and the silverware tray, which has about 5.5 gallons of dirt in there as well. So I'll be planting some cabbage and a tomato in there later this week. All right, take care.